Is this making you cringe? Do you want to look away and yell at me to stop? Don't worry, this brush pen was already ruined and ready to be tossed. But then I had a thought. What if I lettered with it? Well, the results would be pretty bad because there was hardly any ink left in the pen and it was really hard to see what I was writing. What was really great though was the amazing texture I was getting. I love textured letters and that grungy look, and I usually have to use a bristle brush with ink to get this kind of effect. Because who in their right mind would purposely ruin a perfectly good Tombow brush pen? Well, if you watched my last video, I told you what not to do so that your brush pen stays nice and sharp and not like this. But if you already made those mistakes and used the wrong paper, or maybe your toddler got a hold of your pen, don't throw it out. Do this instead. Grab some ink or liquid watercolor or even regular watercolor, and then just dip your brush pen in it and start lettering. It's that simple. Now, you can use any paper you want since you can't really ruin it any more than it already is, and just start lettering. The more frayed the tip is, the better texture you're gonna get. And I'm even using watercolor paper for even more texture. So next time you see one of your brush pens beginning to fray, don't get upset. Instead, find beauty in that ugly tip. So tell me in the comments, do you like grungy and textured letters, or are you more into the smooth lines? And how much did you really cringe when I started smashing that tip in the beginning? For more lettering tips and watercolor painting videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell so you can be notified every Friday when I release a new video. And as always, stay creative!